Mad beach.
Place is packed.
No, I'm alright, I've got my Crocs. Mad beach. Oh, right.
Did we walk it?
Yes, we did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you get a boat around.
Yeah, we got the boat.
And this
Looks different. Maybe not as
no,
hot.
but we normally you walk down that walkway, but now we're going at the bottom straight away. So we're not walking that little cliff. That's clear, tell them. Tell them that's clear water.
It's fucking beautiful.
This was never like this.
Whoa, that's scary,
This
man.
was a road here.
Whoa,
The winter destroyed it.
wow.
Because the waves literally splashed up here.
Yeah.
Hello?
Does that mean it's got a fish on there? Whoa, man. This is madness. Yeah. Oh, I thought we went to Lefkada, we didn't come here. We're coming here tomorrow morning.
Yeah, this is the boat that we...
Yeah. It's mad. Go, honey. Whoa, look at these umbrellas, honey.
Yeah, so you didn't obviously come here.
No, no, we're at Piff Kills.
Yeah, but this is busy. I've made.
Where do you go, man? I mean, you can just literally go anywhere, really.
Yeah. That's why. If you guys come here in the morning, you probably remember this.
And then we came down.
You can walk to Milos, or you get a little boat around.
Yeah, we got the boat.
That's why I said it's well, look, there's heaps of spaces there.
Oh, plenty of space.
ring
I
me
bet.
Oh well.
and tell me what beach. Going this way or not that way?
Go this way.
Never done. It's like
Go. Huh? Do you want to... Better this one, isn't it? It is. Whoa, that's great.
Oh, that's why we came here. Patate.
Oh, a bit of olive oil.
Like a bribe. Look. Oh, the bubble is so good, honey. It's like your patate. Can you pass me a fork? Yeah, he's fucking, it's peckish. He's had a few. He's like, fuck. So
Oh,
hungry.
it's got giant beers as well.
1.5.
People get Paz here.
Got the apple.
Got the old one. Oh, this one? No. Anyone's got the model close to the fucking Forest of the Caribbean.
No.
That's a nice video.
They're Americans.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Alquiler,
Oh, very good.
Yeah, even that one. I'm just holding.
Well, Greek Americans.
That urgent. Gabriel. That.
Stavros the Gavros.
Oh my god. It's better than the other day.
Really?
Amazing.
That was really good.
And then extra lemon. Better than nothing. Oh my god. You're back. At PORTO KATSIKI. Wow. Incredible. This is a whole another level
Do you want to go over there where
of
the sun
beaches.
is? Or do you want to go...